I rent a room in a shared student house. There are 5 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, and, here's the problem, only 1 bathroom. It's a good place to live while I'm studying, and the rent is very low. My room is quite messy. When you enter, you see a light switch on your left and a long mirror. On the back of the door, there are some hooks to hang coats and jackets. Next to the mirror, there is a chest of drawers for my clothes. I have a single bed with 2 pillows, a white sheet, and a blue duvet. There are some posters on the wall above my bed. In front of the window, I have a desk and a computer chair. This is where I usually read and study. There are 2 sockets under the desk, so I can plug in my laptop and phone chargers. Because I don't have a lot of space in my bedroom, I have to store some of my things in boxes under the bed. Our living room is clean and modern, but it's too small for 5 people. There is only space for 3 people on the sofa, so 2 people have to sit on the carpet if we watch a film together. We keep the Wi-Fi router in the living room, so everyone has a good internet connection in their bedrooms. The kitchen is very well organized. We each have a private cupboard and a shelf in the fridge to store our food. We share all the kitchen appliances and utensils. On the kitchen worktop, we have a toaster and a toasted sandwich maker, a kettle, a microwave, a chopping board, a bread bin, and a rice cooker. The only problem with the house is the bathroom. For 2 people, it would be fine, but for 5 people, it's a disaster. There isn't space in the cabinet for all our toiletries, and there isn't space to hang all our towels.